WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. When they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But, oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. 'Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Only got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, it got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn when you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mods, so First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not gonna work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not gonna work first try. See? Too scared. We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's being QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time. And they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings. It's about time management. It's about managing procrastination. If you're one of those people that need an office to focus, like a quiet space, no dogs, no family, no deliveries, no whatever, then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a certain skill to be able to get work done and force yourself to get work done when you know you could do anything else. I have a TV in my office, a 3D printer in my office, a sword decanter full of really good quarter cask Lafroig scotch, right? So distractions is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it takes a certain skill to be able to get your work done when you could literally be doing anything but working. You know, depending on your meeting schedule, if you don't have a lot of meetings, you could do anything you want during the day. And they wouldn't know as long as you get your work done. You know, how to get ahead in the programming world in this industry, and it's pretty interesting. It's very similar to many other industries where like the people that are getting a lot of work continue to get a lot of work, and the people that get spotty work always get overlooked. You know, there's some key factors. Being US based, that helps. Being on the younger side, having a good resume with a lot of names that maybe they've heard of, and then you're getting hit by recruiters every day. You know, it's a good feeling. But in this market, in this industry, you could get laid off at any time, and then you're back to freelance. I mean, luckily there's always plenty of little websites. I remember I used to just sit there online, you know, just like apply. Hey, I'll do this for $20. Hey, I'll do this. Stability is so appreciated in this business. You've been with the company for years. It's like, it's a great feeling. And then as soon as you lose that job, it's a terrifying feeling. You're like, well, now what? Will I ever get work again? You know? Hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, you know, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Well, you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd. Well, hello, everybody. Or a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300
that's me.
On LinkedIn that are WordPress developers.
What do you guys think? Like the news starting soon? Is it more entertaining than the picture?
I use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor.
Only problem I have is transitioning to the video.
And plugins, and then building a website.
See if I can figure it out.
Is considered, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't.
Okay, we'll start with YouTube Shorts feed. Hello, there's my face.
That's the whole point of WordPress, right?
And then we'll move to everybody else. Hey! Yep. That's me. I just gave up. Haven't even started yet. What is up? Happy Tuesday, Wednesday. It's been all right. Second day back after vacation. I forgot I had COVID, so it's good. And the only problem is you're fucking contagious for 10 days, so I still have I still almost have a week. Next Monday, I will no longer have to wear a mask around my house. It's just for the kids. Wife got it, so yeah. Kids don't have it. Thank God. Fuck. Nothing worse than taking care of sick kids when you're sick. I mean, I'm not that bad, but when we all get a fucking cold, and I have to, get up every 5 seconds, medicine, comfort, you know what I mean? And you just want to sleep. Yeah. It's a goddamn nightmare. So, yeah, I like keeping the kids not sick. Save myself the trouble. It's just like car maintenance, you know what I mean? You just don't want to deal with the trouble. Use the right gas. Get your oil changed. It's more of a hassle otherwise. Hey, let's hear him talk. Now I gotta restart. Hey, look, I got volume. Wee. Been surprisingly busy on Fiverr today. Did I say Fiverr? I said Fiverr. Busy on Fiverr. Gotten a couple gigs, recording some screams on some songs. I would play the one I just recorded, but it's a theme song to an anime or a game. I've never heard of the game before. Here. Yeah, so maybe if I just play the one part, it wouldn't be a big deal. Let's see. Let's see if I can get away with it. Here we go. So let me just skip to my part. Maybe I won't get DMCA'd. And I didn't record me recording this. I just did it real quick. Just too busy today. Here we go. So that was I did the screaming parts over the chorus. I guess the guy, he actually pretty popular YouTuber. I mean, shit, compared to me. Yeah, he has got like over 1,000. What is it? Let me see if I can pull him up real quick. Show you guys what's up. It's this guy here, Tic Tac, with 2 pipes. Is that what it is? Or is it L's? Maybe it's capital I. No, here it is. Tic Tac. Yeah, this guy. So he makes like covers of anime songs. Is this the right guy? Yeah. Well, it looks like his song list is different now. Oh, maybe this isn't the same guy. Wait, shit. Is there another Tic Tac? No way. That would be weird. But this doesn't look like the same guy. Ooh. Maybe this is... Why would there be 2 Tic Tacs making covers? I just don't remember seeing a piano. And the dude was from... Yeah, look at Tristan Ross. This is a different guy. What the hell? Is Tic Tac like a anime name that I don't know about? What the hell? Or is there another Tic Tac? Is this like his other channel maybe? Why would he have 2? Well, now I'm tripping balls. Maybe this is the Tic Tac guy. I don't really know his name. Does this guy look more Australian? I can't tell. Huh. Weird, and he does the same thing with like the lines on either side. I don't know, maybe it's the same guy. I feel like it was different though. Anyways, yeah. So I was doing a screaming part for that guy. So yeah, hopefully I get a nice little shout out. But then right after I recorded that, I got hit up again about another guy who wants an entire metal cover, a black metal cover of an Evanescence song. I'm like, kind of weird. To be honest, I created the metal cover song gig because I kept getting asked to do metal covers. But like I don't get it. I don't get why people want it, like the entire song made. Because I go on Fiverr because there's something I can't do, right? Like I have a dude make something for me or do music for something. Like I have the guy who does my metal cover instrumentals, but I don't get like commissioning an entire song. It's not the first time I've like I said, I've been asked to do that. Like I guess I understand if you have like a YouTube channel or like that's what you do, you post metal covers or something like that, but it's just kind of weird. You're just taking other people's, abilities and putting it on your channel. Like with you have no, input on it at all other than just asking for it. I don't know. Maybe if you're like a cinematographer or something, you like making videos for cool songs. That's also, maybe that's what they're doing. Shit. Who am I to judge? While I just judged heavily. My bad. Wait, does that get rid of the blockade? It does not. I don't know how to do that. Alright, let's hear it talking. It's good. Good volume. I can control it. Louder. Be-doop. Boom. Yeah, sounds good. So, now what I wanted to do... Yeah, the main thing I wanted to do next is finish the new talking. Because right now, what I want to be, I need to associate images to these, which I did. It worked. So I was able to get an image in there. So now what I need to do is, I need a better way to differentiate between who's talking within the dialogue. You know, because what I did for this scene here, all I did was have classes with their name. And depending on who's talking, I use the class. You know, so it matches the class name for the character. And it basically just, you know, targets them that way. But like, I'm wondering, is there like a better way? Because it works for me, you know, because I'm the one that's in control of all this. You know, I just add, wait. No, wrong one. Yeah, the Bylon meetup. So like, it works for me because I know, hey, cool, you know, add the name of the person. MC is me. Siona, Iona, me. Yeah. So like, but like, I wish I could, I don't know. Like, I don't want to create a new block just for this. But I would like a way of knowing who's talking without having to click in and look at their class name, and like a better selection system, you know? I still want to use the content. Just makes the most sense. But yeah, I don't know. I think for now this is it. It's a lot of little pieces that I have to meet together. Class name needs to match the character name, and the character needs to be selected in the explore character. Yeah. I mean, again, like, eventually I might make this into a more accessible WordPress game engine for other people to create their own RPG games. But for now, it's just so I can create my game, right? So that's probably one of those to-do list things to make it easier for people to create dialogue scenes. They can, you know, maybe like I said, we'll have a character selector here, and if they're checked here, then you have the option to select them as a talking thing. Get him, little bitch. God, I'm tired of these little gnats. I do love living with land, but you know, if you have your lights on and then you open the door, everyone just rushes in. Yeah, and then you have little gnats everywhere. Like a nightmare. Okay. But let's fix this whole image thing. So we're going to leave the class thing alone. The problem is right now I'm just outputting all the images like cheer. Every character that is being selected, I use their description. So got that working for four-nose cutscene. Now I just need these to be, by default, cut character needs to be display none. So let's go to cut character. You will be display none. No biggie. Full line code completion. Shut up. Okay. And then we will make it engage. Display block. Cool. So we'll do that. And that should be good. And then, yeah, because right now it's actually in the right position. So let's just try this out. And by default, we'll need to person who's talking. So I already know how to select who's talking. I have that logic here. Is it under typewriter? It's around there. It's damn it. Another goddamn gnat. Why is this text so messed up still? So weird that my phone like crops the live stream. Like I said, I think I know that it'll crop other people's too, but just gotta make it look good. Also, that little video I have, if you're watching on full screen, it's actually coming from my website on a loop, on a YouTube loop. But I just realized that, just like my starting soon video, that I can just target, you know, videos from my computer. Like I don't have to be using YouTube on a loop. So I don't even know why I'm doing that. But it's fine. And I would have saved myself a lot of cropping. I wouldn't have a page on my website that has a video on loop. Figuring out shit. So we have, yeah, so this. So how do I know who's talking? I think it's here, the move dialog box. So right now, I'm only using move dialog box for, you know, entire cutscenes. So let me see what the logic is here. Yeah, well, first off, I don't even know why I have this, because it's only possible. Wait, no. Am I using this somewhere else? Oh, I am. What's this? Oh, okay. Next P. Got it. Okay, so yeah, this actually is being used everywhere. But why? That's kind of weird. I guess it's for the auto change. Okay, so we have this. And then we're grabbing a class like this. Okay, that's how we're doing it. So what I want to do is actually open up move dialog box. Like I don't care if it's for cutscene anymore. Or the cutscene area. What did I just do? I just closed what I was doing, didn't I? Yeah, like I don't care anymore. I want to use this for everything. So, that being said, I need to not move the box around per se. So actually, I'll put that back. The logic will change. Like I don't need all this. I do want this. So we'll keep this on the outside. Okay. This will actually move the text box around. I like the idea of having two separate talking methods. Like when it's an actual cutscene that's automated and you're like watching something happen, then it's more, you know, interactive and it's going to the people talking. But if you're just walking up to somebody or a couple people, I like the idea of it coming up full screen and, you know, allowing you to talk. Or, you know, watch the talking more personally, because you're not watching a movie basically. So then we'll keep what? Oh, this is getting me. Okay, well I also need this. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now we got these. We'll do that if it's area cutscene. But if it's not, then let's simply show the image of the person and we'll hide all the other people. That being said, I have their name here. No, I have their class here. So what I want to do instead is just get their name. So that's their name. And dialog char class equals dialog char. There you go. Cool, leave it like that. And then yeah, cool. So we'll do that. And then we'll take the class. We'll take the actual character's name. And now on the front end, what does it look like? I think cutscene. What is all this? All right. You go away. No, not the whole thing. Oh, what am I doing? This needs to... No, this needs to go away. There we go. Yeah, where's cutscene? Alright, that's just the menu item. Here's the cutscene itself. Alright, so we got our cut characters here. And they have no indication of who it is. Alright, so I need to put an indication. Step 1, add a data point. Data character equals what? Oh, well this is, I don't need to do that. This is MC. That's me. And then this is data. Oh yeah, I forgot I put that there. Okay. Data character equals. And this is going to be char slug. Hey, Deck Dude, how's it going, man? Welcome to the party. How you feeling? How you doing? So the I don't think it's slug. I think it's name. That's what I think. Okay. Let's see if that pops up now correctly. Yep. So we have character. I think I want slug though. Term slug. Right? Or is it just slug? Might just be slug. I forgot. Nope. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Characters defined. So now we have an indicator of who's who, what image is what. So back to this shit. If it's not a cutscene, then every time you move the dialog box, you're going to take const current. Oh, current dialog. That's not what I want. Current car image equals document. Selector. Start digging a hole. Are you digging a hole in Minecraft or in real life? Could be either one. I wouldn't be surprised. And this can be cut character. Great. So if current char image is a thing. Oh yeah, sorry, I need to add engage. Then we need to take that. God damn it. That and class list. Remove engage. Cool. And then we need to set the new one. Real life. It's so the dirt man doesn't take me down. Nice. I like it. Digging holes is a thing, man. Oh, if you don't know who the distance is, just look up Dirtman song. I will. I'll definitely do that. I do not know who that is or what that is. But speaking of digging, last week I buried 250 feet of Ethernet cable right out there, literally straight line that way, because I installed a Wi-Fi extender, an outdoor one, like a storm-proof one, so that I could open and close my automatic gate with my phone. And I have a camera out there, you know, looking at the gate, so I know if it's open or not, or closed. But yeah, that was not fun. I was just using like a spade shovel, and I literally bop, and I lifted the, the sod 250 feet all the way to a tree, where I put the extender in it, and then I had to, like put the wire under. I had to stomp it, and it was definitely humid and hot, so no fun, no bueno, no fun. Did not enjoy that. Yeah, so let's set the new one. Set new car image. New car image equals document dot query selector. And then we have the data character. So this is cut character. Data character equals what? Equals current. Oh, dialog char. Dialog char. Ooh. Okay. Let's add some double quotes and close you up. And that, my friend, is the new image. And if it exists, always check if it exists. Nothing's worse than a stupid console error for no reason. And then we will go ahead, take that, class list, and we'll add engage. My global notifier of when things are doing something or not. You're either engage or you're not engage. That was styling. I meant to compile the JavaScript. There we go. Okay, now, depending on who's talking, it's going to switch between the images. If I add the classes. So let's do that real quick. Yes, I'm not touching you. You. So we got Forno here. Okay. Hey buddy, I hate your face. That's gonna be Forno. Yeah. Is that what I was doing? Oh, that's block name. I was just adding the kind of a weird place to put a class. Okay. And then that's me. I'm C. That's main character. And then Forno. And then me. And then Forno. This is really bad dialogue. I should have changed this dialogue a long time ago. I feel like it's offensive. But I don't know. I just haven't changed it. I'm an offensive guy. You're never eating grapes again? Dude, my daughter she like sneaks fucking handfuls of grapes, you know, like that, the god, whatever the fuck his name is, the big fat one with the cornucopia. She's like, comes down, I hear the fridge open, and then I just see her running up with like a big old vine of grapes. I like them, but yeah, you can eat too many though. I'm guessing you have. Dionysus, yeah, that's it. Nailed it. Alright, let's see if the images work. No. They apparently do not. Boom. Okay, well, that's good to know. Why is the question? Did this not compile? So wait. Oh, I forgot. Yeah. That's right. So this no longer gives a shit about that. Let's try again. You might have eaten too many grapes, but now it's like a river. Ah. That makes sense. Gross. But, this too shall pass. Oh no. This is sounding more horrible by the message. This too shall pass. Shit. Hey, these look familiar, these characters on my shirt. Ooh. Get your Orbem Explorer merch today. The hell, it's still not working. Oh, I need to set. Well, no. How am I doing this? Wait. Okay, so it's in the else. If. Oh, okay. So it doesn't start with an engage. Shit. Okay. In that case, this actually needs like. Sure, this is fine, but I don't care if this exists or not. I do care, but it's separate from this logic. It shouldn't stop this logic. Alright, let's try it now. Go. You found a domain name on GoDaddy? Oh, hell yeah. What is it? Oh my god, there's 2 of them now. What's the domain name, deck, dude? Now it's just a matter of reserving it. Oh yeah. What was your? You have a game studio name? Is it DAC Studio? I forget. Don't worry, I won't buy it under you, and then make you pay me for it. I definitely wouldn't do that. All paranoid. Dude, I pick up domain names just like, oh, that's a good domain name. I just buy it. I know people hate that, but I might use it. Like I have a couple of them. I have this one. I think it's for a product or a program. Jalab.io. So this is a oops. Balloons. This is a yeah, and I just forward all my domain names to my website. But the Jalab, it's like collab and jam put together. So it's for music, like where you can collaborate on anybody's music. The recording system built into the program though, so like you just like riff or something like that on a guitar and then somebody could sing. It's kind of like stitching videos together, like audio together. But you don't need the video. You can just like merge music together and it'll have like an editing program built into it. That's because I found myself wanting to like jam with friends just with stupid shit, not like full on songs, and like just collaborate like that. And you know, maybe you can even make music out of it, but I just couldn't find any good platform. So yeah, jalab.io, random domain name I have. All right, this is gonna work now. God damn it. What did I do? Wait. So, this is not true. We get the current image. It doesn't matter if it doesn't exist. And then we grab the new one, which is this, with the data cat. Wait, am I spelling all this right? Yes, I am spelling this right. Okay. Query selector. Grab the one with the character. I'm getting that now. I know that's correct. No, I forgot to move this. Damn it. Okay. Pay attention. Yes, this is good. It's gonna work. So yeah, balloons, peace sign. That's balloons. And then, you need to go? I'm not celebrating you going. That was unintentional. All right, see you, deck dude. Have a good one, man. Feel better. Don't eat any grapes while you're gone. Catch you in the next one. Fireworks. 2 thumbs up. There we go. I will enjoy coding. Appreciate it. All right, go. Oh my god. What the hell? What am I missing now? I don't believe you. Where's the fucking images? Why are you not doing anything? Okay. So that's working. Oh, look, it is working. Good. Good, good, good. Oh. What? How is display block? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Oh, I hate myself. Anybody hate me too? That's really annoying. God damn it. Anybody else super frustrated with misspelling display? Alright, now it's gonna work. Images. Oh yeah, there you go. Switch the image. Oh yeah. Switch again. Oh. Perfect. So that's how it works. Don't. Gotta love the sound effects. Let's make sure that this still works. Yeah, okay, cool. It gets the difference. It knows when this is a cutscene area versus a cutscene. Very cool. Alright. We got another win. Let's see if it transfers correctly. It does not. That was one thing I was having issues with. Okay. Oh, well that image worked. Weird. Why did the sound stop? There are bugs to be had. Okay, hold on. Let's see why. Hey, Smooth Man, very nice. Thanks. Game Doodle in the house. Yeah, now we got the image swapping. It's good. And I'm gonna leave it at that. Because I'm really trying not to do too much UI work. You know what I mean? I want to get the basics of the back end there. So now I have the ability to add the images per person. You know, it'll swap it out. And, you know, I can do GIFs. I can do whatever, you know, just so it looks more interactive. But yeah, I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Yeah, I need to fix that bug. It's the whole client side switching areas versus server side loading areas. So it seems like this right here is coming out, or no, this. Here we go. It's because of this, I guarantee it's not outputting correctly with the ESC HTML. Let's try this instead. WP post cases. That will probably output correctly. So let's do this. Oh, I'm stuck. What'd I do? Okay. Sometimes, you know, you just destroy the entire game and not know why. What did I do? Did I screw up the HTML by doing that? Hold on. Cutscene. I probably did. I did, yeah. Undefined. Did I spell that wrong? Do I not know what the fuck I'm doing anymore? Isn't it post cases? Wait, what the fuck is it? Maybe cases. Oh. Post. I did it backwards. I haven't used that in a while for sanitizing. Obviously. Alright, so let's get out of here. We'll come back. Oh, well, let's just make sure it works. So yeah, the image works with the cases post. Cool. I don't care, screw you. Kiss me. No. And then we'll go here. Let's go over here. And then when I come back, the image should work now. If it doesn't, I need to get rid of the sanitizing altogether. Yeah, why is this all getting fucked up? That's weird. I don't get where that gets messed up. Something's up. I don't like it. Alright, image. Show me. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it's just that. Which is really strange because ESC HTML shouldn't have worked server side either. So I'm not 100% sure why it was working in the first place. One of the many mysteries of WordPress. Okay. So I made the ability to do the Biolon cutscene now. And I updated normal talking. Cool. So I was watching one of my old streams, making shorts. Can't argue with the results. That's neat. Thank you, Game Doodle. Appreciate it. Hey, did you get your stuff? I actually didn't check if it was delivered. Did you get your books? And I think it was the sweatshirt. Because should have came today. Because if so, I'm excited for you to start your Orbem Miropelia journey. Alright, well, let's push this code up so we can start building the actual cutscene in Stage. Not today? Well, that's malarkey. Let's see. Let's make sure nothing happened to it. Because that would be... Oh yeah, look at... Now expected. Pieces of shit. Okay. That's weird. Yeah, it got delayed. You're right. Well, everything's coming tomorrow. Hopefully. Shit. Except for one of the sweatshirts. I actually ended up sending you 2 pieces of merch. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to get you. So we have matching hoodies now. But yeah, there's a sweatshirt that's coming on the 2nd. So that's in a couple days. Alright. Montana. I always heard Montana hates Amazon. I don't know. Just make shit up. Cool. So, okay, so did we push? Okay, yeah. Boop. Let's push the theme code up. And if you're all wondering what I'm using, this is local by Flywheel, which is owned by WP Engine. Because everything's owned by Automatic or WP Engine. In case you're wondering, in the WordPress world. They own it all. And let's jump on over to the Stage site. We'll start a new game. Let's get caught up. See where we're at, and then we'll start building the cutscene out. Because I can do that without the code. Oh wait, do I have the talking? No, that's right. Hey, this is the Chief Botanist, the Pharmaceutical Division. I probably spelled that wrong. Her office is boring. Wait, I shouldn't be able to transport yet. Oh, whose is this? Oh, what the fuck? I thought I fixed the range on my hitting. Apparently I did not. Alright, go. You know, when I start adding the actual dialogue, it's gonna be less dumb. It is entertaining for now, though. Alright. There is clearly... Oh yeah, I really wanted to implement a nice loading screen. Something fun. Just don't know what yet. Obviously something has errored out. Let's see what. Nothing. Why does it do that to me? Why does sometimes this shit just doesn't work? Alright, well, whatever. Let's just go ahead and... It's probably because code's deploying and everything's all getting crossed. So, new cutscene. This is going to be Violon Meetup. I already have it. I already have it built dialogue-wise. I don't know what this is. This is like a new thing WordPress is doing, I guess. So yeah, we have a specific character for Iona Violon. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Then we have a me. We have a John Violon. Jeannie Violon. Me again. I agree. Iona. Okay. So that's fine. Let's make sure they're selected here as the characters. They are. Cool. Now let's make sure they exist as characters so we can add them. They do not. Yeah, right. So we need a Neona bio shit. I think I spelled it wrong in the meetup. So did I spell it wrong? Yeah, okay, that's fine. We'll just keep it up. Okay. And she... I just thought of something. Maybe instead of grabbing the image from the fucking description of the term, I should just grab it from the character assigned to it. I think my thought. Yeah, I kind of like that better. That way I can just use the feature image of the character that's in the cutscene. Definitely like that better. So let's do that. Right. Right? And then I need to put her in Biolon. Okay. Which is an area, correct? I think I already made it. I did not, but I'm going to have to. Okay. That's fine. We need to make a map for it, which I can do real quick. Is it a cutscene? Yes, it is. And where are you going afterwards? That's in the cutscene, actually. Okay, yeah, we don't need to put any of this shit or any of this shit. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's actually, I'm gonna update that real quick. So, instead of getting it from the description, we're going to get it from, so where is the char coming from? This is no longer being used. I want to start using this again, actually. Wait, where's char? Oh, yeah, it's part of a for each character. Where's character? All right, so we got the character. All right. So instead, what we're gonna do is we're going to do this. Char, whatever, character post equals get posts. And the args are going to be post type explore character. Very smart of you. Wait, yes, very smart. And the, I got this wrong last time. Is it name? Post name? Shit. We'll do, yeah, because it's, I think it's just name. Might be a post name. Hold on. It's name. Got it. Thank you. Thank you, me. And then we're going to get character. I think I said slug. Yeah. Cool. So this will grab that. And then we'll do one of these bad boys here. Perfectos. Okay, so now we have the post. Oh yeah, but there's multiple, so this actually has to be done down in the for each. Here we go. Okay. And now this will be, I guess I could just do this, huh? Stop being stupid about it. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. That'll do it. Let's see if that works locally. So Forno's picture should show up again. It shouldn't be Jonas. Pop. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. Oh, shit. Character post by name. And then get the thumbnail. Wait, is that what I put as his thumbnail? Why would I do that? Where's this? You. His... No, see, yeah, it's a picture of him. Why the hell would it be her still? Character post, character... It's not Slug. Why do I keep doing the wrong shit? Name? Term name? What the hell? I thought I just did this. Yeah, look. Slug. Oh, but it's no. What am I doing wrong? Get post Kurt. Oh, wait. That's why. There we go. Yeah. Slug you dong. Yeah, see, I'm using the right one. Okay. Try it again. Bump. Dump. And talk to me, buddy. Oh god, he's chasing me. There we go. Yeah, much better. It's, I don't know. I was complicating things by trying to make myself add multiple images. And then every time I create a new character, I can change their clothes if I need to. But it's still their feature image. So yeah, okay, cool. Let's push that up. Poosh. That way I don't have to use the description of the fucking term. That was kind of janky. Poosh. Ooh, Potato Games is on. What's up? Hey. Gaiax is on. Hey Gaiax. Are you a real person? Lurkin. Okay, that's pushed up. Let's go back here. So we got the Bylon meetup. We're going to start using the feature image. And so now we can start using the feature image. Okay, so we already did that here. We need to add Bylon. We just did. Correct. None of this matters. At least not yet. I might make him like walk in. I think I was going to do that for Jeannie and John, because in the book that's kind of what happens. They like come in. Yeah, alright. Let's make more. We need more characters. More. Yeah, and I know I have all these avatars somewhere. Just don't remember where I put them all. Because I kind of need them to make this look cool. Let's see if I have her in here randomly. I don't think I do. I might have her. Oh yeah, I have this version. That'll twerk. In fact, I should probably do that for Iona too. Do like the good version. Oh, now that I think about it, it's always going to be their avatar. Shoot. I think that's why I wanted to do a different image. Because it's going to... Oh, wait, no. No. This doesn't matter. It does matter. It only matters for the talking cutscenes when it's one-offs. Yeah, it kind of screws up what I was doing. Unless I just say fuck it and not use realistic versions of them. And always use their pixel characters, just zoomed in. It's kind of a cop-out, but... Let's see if I can find her avatar. Oh, you know, it might be in the theme code. Let me check that. Upload. I think it's in the actual site theme assets. Images. Yeah, see, we have Siona, Scarlet, Cormir. Oh, there's John. Okay, good. Green. Okay, Genie. Here we go. Boom. That's what we were looking for. Safely tucked away in the theme code. All right. What do I mean? I mean, these little avatar images, you know, the pixel art avatars. I was going to, during the zoom in where you're talking to somebody, have the picture on the side be like a realistic version of them and not use the pixel art picture. But if I use their feature image for them from their character, then I can't do that because it's always going to be their avatar. Unless I create another field or something for cutscene or talking image, which I could do. I don't know. I can always change that later. Okay, you're going in by alone. Publish. And now let's make John. And then that should be the last character I need. John by a lawn. John by a lawn. And then I saw his character, so we're good there. Where you at? Where you at? John. Perfecto. So they're PNGs. I wish I had their better styles. Right. Right. And you're there. And that's it. Cool. Okay. So now we have Bylon. We have to make a map for it. Oh, no, you know what? I do need to put a trigger point in here. So hold on. Let me start a new game. And I need to put the little trigger point that sends them to the area on the map. So let's do that real quick. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, that's working. A doop 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 doo. I'm coming with you, buddy. Good. That's working again. Alright, we're in your office. Hurry up, hurry up. I think I go right there. Okay, now we're in Thyrus. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, I need to get the coordinates. That's weird. Seems like when it got too long, it kind of screwed up the frequencies. That's weird. Oh shit. Scared the shit out of me. She comes in too quick. One. Yeah, seems like for some reason the long sentences kind of screw it up. I think there might be something wrong with the intervals, is my guess. I don't know why. There's definitely something wrong with the intervals, so might have to fix that. Yeah, because like the shorter conversations seem to be working fine. Maybe it's just running out of time. Okay. To buy a lawn. This is where the restaurant is. There. Very small doorway. But there it is. Okay. So, if we're going off of my map weapon, I want it to be right here. Which is 920, 4327. 920. That's 920, 43 something. My memory's really good. 4327. And it's gonna be, I don't know. What was that? 200 high. About 50 wide. Whatever, we'll do 100 wide. Okay, so that'll take you there. And starting position for me, I don't know. I gotta make the map. Okay. Let's make a map. Don't I have an AI file? Thought I did. No. Should have it somewhere. So this is the map SVG. Where's all my .ai files? Here we go. Got Thyrus right here. Cool. Alright, so it's actually not a bad layout for the restaurant. Because you're gonna come in right about, so like we can ditch this. We can do like this, and actually we can ditch that. Cool. And I think that's a little bit long for a walk-in. Cool. And then let's make another one of these over here. So that'll be like where we walk in. Okay. And now the restaurant's kind of set up like this. It's like booths on either side. I just think it might be a little too big. It's a big restaurant. I do mention that. But like, you're like as big as my cursor. So if you're walking in this giant hall, there's going to be a maitre d' table right here where you say, hey, where the hell's my seat? Now I'm starting to think, am I going to use this damn restaurant again? Probably. I mean, they go to it multiple times in the book. Yes, my backgrounds are SVGs. Yeah, didn't I explain to you how my backgrounds work? So, it's SVG code. And all the collision points are using rectangle tags. So that's how I'm able to just like create, you know, maps without having to fucking hard code a million coordinates for collision points. I target all the rectangle tags in the SVG code. It's genius. It was actually an idea by my buddy Weaver. Came out of nowhere. I was like, oh my god, that's gonna save me so much time. Because I was literally, I had a giant, like every Orbem area, the content body, like the editor, I was putting script tags of coordinates where I couldn't touch. And oh my god, I did the entire Orbem like map that way. Such a waste of time. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. And then we came up with this and I was like, wow, I'm dumb, is what I told myself. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, I mean, it was just kind of like, I didn't know how I was going to do it otherwise. But yeah, this ended up being like a giant time saver. And I don't just have to target rectangles. Like I can eventually put like circles and shit in here too, you know, and then you could just have the whole circle be a collision point. But for now, I kept everything rectangles just to keep things simple. But so tables. Yeah, because like I said, these from a zoomed out perspective, this is correct. So, you know, as far as like booths are concerned, obviously there shouldn't be fronts to any of these if they're booths. So we can probably ditch all these. So that's good. And then yeah, I mean, I'm not too worried. Like that's the booth seating, that's the booth seating. Make it a little thicker. Oh shit, grabbing the wrong spot. Let me ditch that. Cool. That'll work. booth. Booth. Oh shit. Booth. And yeah, Illustrator makes it really easy to manipulate. This is my only edge I have. Because, you know, if you're working in like RPG Maker or Game Maker or whatever, you can just define collision points on anything, like in any size, just visually. So this is kind of like my version of a visual collision point maker. Yeah, right? And like this is the skeleton. Like on top of it, I'll be able to put actual art. And then this is actually hidden in the background. It's 0 opacity. And then I have a separate layer where I can put like the stylized art on top. And I'll basically just hand this off. Yeah, and I'll hand this off to an artist and be like, hey, make me a fucking restaurant. Here's the collision points. You know, make it look like a nice booths or whatever. So I think we'll do booths on either side here. That'll twerk. Cool, cool, cool. Match that. Booth seating. Yeah. And again, the character is about the size of my, like a parallax background or tile map. Yeah. Yeah, and I can make it a giant GIF. You know what I mean? Or like a video, whatever. Like I can make the map itself have animation in it. Because it's just an image, right? So like I could overlay a fucking giant MP4 file if I wanted to. That way it, yeah, it can be like interactive, have birds flying or fucking whatever is going on. Because it's just an image. Okay, so here's the booths. We need the maitre d' table. Let's make one real quick. This is where you say like, hey bitch, where's my date? And again, the cutscene I'm doing is not going to be, I think they're more like squares, huh? It's not going to be here. I'm gonna cut to them just being in the booth. Which in the book, he's walking down the left side. In my head, I don't say that. And then they're all sitting here. Okay, so what I want to do now is actually make this all smaller. Because this is too big. So let's, first off, I need layers. Show me. Oh, they're right here. Okay. What is this? Ah, that's the old one. Yeah, so let's make a new one here. What the hell? Are you telling me that these are different hotkeys from Photoshop to fucking Illustrator? That's annoying. I need a new layer. I guess I'll do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. New layer. Let's paste in place. That did not work. There we go. Okay. So let's make this smaller. Holding shift. Okay. So this will be inside here. This will make a lot more sense when it's smaller, I think. Okay. Yeah. And why don't we move this actually all the way up to here? Cool. Let's lock this one and hide it for now, and then let's get rid of all this. Cool. Put it back. And let's move all this shit down now. Alright. Cool. Now we got a scaled down version. And let's actually remove that. That's fine. Yeah, okay. There we go. See, it's kind of like he's this big, walking in. Yeah, that's good. Make this a little closer here. That's kind of how they look. Alright, good. This will do. So now what we do is we select everything. Everything. And then we export selection. Boop. And alright. Just this asset 9. And game creatives. Perfect. And we'll call this Bialon as an SVG. And now it's exported as an SVG. Which is somewhere here. Wait, what? Where'd it go? Wait a second. What did I do? Oh, it's right here. Why couldn't I see that? I think because I had asset in the name. Yeah, okay. Alright, so now let's go back here. And we're going to upload it directly. Because since it's an SVG, I need to put it in the media library and just grab the URL directly. Instead of it being uploaded to the feature image. The feature image is actually the overlay map. You know, this sounds silly, but I've only done SVG coding, never like Adobe. Oh, you considered looking at paths on GIMP. That's super cool. Yeah, I mean, it's an image type. It's a vector image, you know, so Illustrator's kind of like the best. I mean, it's the only way that I know to work with SVGs directly and create them. In fact, all of my, if you see here, not here, if you see here, like all of these are SVGs that I created in Illustrator. Using image trace, like I can convert PNGs that I make in Photoshop to Illustrator. You know, like if you open up something like this, right? So you open up this and then you use trace and it vectorizes it. So now this all has SVG paths and you can click into it, you can see. So like all of these are all individual paths. And if you do, where is it? Expand. Where was I? And usually it just has expand sitting around. Well, anyways, there's a button that says expand. And it'll make it all different paths, and they're all just SVG style. Depending on the complexity of the image, you know, you can change the actual threshold and stuff like that. Make left paths, You can make more paths. You can even do color, you know, and make like really fucking heavy ass SVGs. But the best part about it is, look, I mean, it's no matter how big or small it is, it doesn't pixelize because it's vector. Yeah, you need to get out more. What are you thinking? Chum out. Alright, we'll save that. Let's grab the URL. And then let's throw it in this field. Where is it? Oh, no, wrong one. This is Pylon Meetup. Oh wait, when it's done, where's the next area? The next area, oh, no. I want the next area to be Virus. Yeah, I don't. Wait, do I need to put? Oh, I think I need to put bile on here. There we go. I might not have had to do that actually. Now that I think about it. A term with that parent already exists. Well, where is it? Then Dick. Oh, I think I added it in another one. Okay, that's the cutscene. Let's go to the area. And let's add in... Oh shit, it was already open. That's what I was going for. I was on the wrong one. Map SVG. So this is now Pylon. Good to go. And I don't know my starting position. I'm just keeping it 0-0 for now, I guess. Alright, let's give this a shot. This should work. So I'm going to check first that the trigger point exists. That sends you to the area. And then we'll check. Let's see, is Pylon in here? Yes. No. No. No, that's a character. This does not appear to exist. Cutscene triggers here. Alright. Interesting. So we have... Okay, so the cutscene is attached to Pylon Meetup. I mean, Pylon. And then Pylon itself... Oh, it's not in here. Thyrus. That's what I meant to do. Oh, what happened? It didn't save. Son of a bitch. I forgot what it was. I kind of remember. I think it was 920, 4327. That sounds right. And now it's going to do 200 by 100. Starting top and left. Yeah, this is where he starts. I don't know. I don't remember. Let's do 1,000. 1,000. All right. It's a cutscene, yes. Let's make sure all this saves. Save. Looks good. Alright, let's double check if it shows up now. by alone. Yep, there it is. So let's fix the top position, make sure it's in the right position. And I actually like that's a little bit within the door, so you have to kind of walk in a bit. So 833, no biggie. And then let's see if this works. I mean, technically, I think I set it up correctly. It should just kind of start the cutscene. But I think I'll be in the wrong position. I won't be able to see any of the characters. I also didn't give them any positions, so they're not going to be showing up probably. Alright, go. Here we go. Well, nothing seems to be doing anything. Let's see what we got. We are currently in Bailon. It has nothing. Is the SVG here? It is. I'm guessing I'm just in the wrong position. Let's see here. Wait, is all the characters in here? Yep, we got John, Jeannie, and Iona. Perfect. I'm not seeing the cutscene though. Let's see, where am I supposed to be? Oh, I guess I could just walk. Okay. Well, I'm not seeing the map anywhere. So that means this is not working. Oh, opacity 0. Of course. Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot I was doing this. I was using the same image for both. What am I thinking? Of course it's 0. It's the fucking collision points. Set. Go. Set. Okay, now it will be a map that I can see. Hopefully I'm not on a wall. Alright, let's... Shoot, now I'm kind of stuck in here. New game. Start again. I really need to create a level jumping dev mode. I can just go to whatever area I need to. Skip. Skip to my my darling. Yeah, cheat codes for sure. Boop, 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 boop. Nope. Ah, I ran out of transportation. I ran out of juice. I gotta walk the whole way. I also need to turn on God mode where I can just transport anywhere I want. It's not recharging. Damn it. Recharge, bitch. Okay. Let's see if this works. At least has a map now. I should be able to walk around in it. Take your time. I need to get rid of these numbers. I definitely don't need them. Ah, there we go. Damn, that took a long time. So. Okay, collision points are working. We're in the restaurant. Size-wise, not bad. It's still a little big for a booth. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm not a waiter. You know what I mean? Yeah, that was taking a long time. Okay, cool. I think the reason why the cutscene is not working is because it's not assigned. So let's make sure this is set properly. Next area is Thyrus. Yeah, take me back. Wait, what? Oh. Explore. Oh, I put the wrong shit. I was in the wrong thing. Ew. Okay, well, let's get rid of that. Trigger point before. Yeah, sure. Trigger. So next area is that. Characters. Wait. Okay. And it's connected to Bylon, which is a cutscene area, right? Is cutscene? Yes. Yeah. Definitely need to move this down. I mean, I should get a real thing. Okay, so yeah, Thyrus. Okay, this looks good. Let's see, am I missing anything? Let's check it out locally, see what I did. Let's check out the area. Let's look at CO office. What did I do? Anything special? So all it was that. Yeah, it's all the starting positions. Whatever, music. Cutscene, yes. Okay. That's all working. Where's the people? Oh. Yeah, where are the people? I thought I defined the people here. Maybe that was the cutscene. Let's check the cutscene out. Okay, here's the meetup. So we got the area, the people, the next area. That's it. Okay. So it should be good. Yeah, nothing here before. Okay. In that case, I think we're good. Thyrus. Yes, correct. Correct. Those that music. Whatever. We'll just call it. No, default's 4 set already. I don't need to do anything. Okay. So this seems good. So I think what I'll do is just refresh and see if the cutscene starts. Aha! Something happened. Current dialogue. Oh, did I do that stupid shit where I didn't put engage on the first one? That doesn't sound right. I probably didn't. Oh shit, I did do that. Alright. Yep, there's the dialogue. Alright, let's try this again. Now what? Offset. Current dialogue, cutscene queries. Did I not group all this? Like an idiot? Oh my god. I think I fixed all this in the local site. Yes. Please group. Thank you. God damn it. I don't know why I did that. Alright, one more time. This is all things that need to be documented. Oh god. Go. It's working. Oh wait. Hey, it found me. Okay. Cool. All I need to do is put positions to the people. Awesome. Though I kind of screwed myself because now I can't exactly figure out how to do that. How do I get positions in an area that I can't see? Well, simply make it not in the cutscene area. Let's do that real quick. It's not a cutscene. And let's refresh. Okay. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I need to set, like, all the origin points for all the characters. They all need to be sitting in that booth together talking. Alright, so let's see. I also wish I could zoom out. But the way this whole map is created, it does not allow that. I was going to do that before for the transportation. Like I was going to let you zoom out and then like transport anywhere on the map. But first off, that would be like super, super powered. But okay, this is where I want him. So he'll be here. Here. Maybe I'll have him here. Cool. And so I want 2326, 1822, 2326. So that's gonna be a starting position. Here we go. 2326. And 23, 26, 18, 22. Okay. So that's my starting position. And then everybody else's needs to be more like, so we'll make Iona sitting, or we'll have her sitting over here. It'll be weird to have people sitting with their back turned. So maybe I'll have them like sideways or something. And then 23, so this is gonna be 29, 19. Let's go to her. This is Iona. Her position is 20, 19, 19. 2919. And we'll do something like 2346. And then she will be 100 by 100. That's just how they are. Great. No walking path. We'll leave her alone. And then I'll have John and Jeannie walking up. So I'm gonna have them like, we'll do like one of these things. We'll have them here, so like 3303. So he'll be 3303. And 1872. This is all gonna have to be changed, by the way, for sure. But at least I'll get him in the right area. And then he's gonna do 2 walking points. We'll give him a 5. He'll have 2. So the first point he's going to go to is, yeah, I think I started him like Oh shit, I forgot what table we were at. I think it's like this one. So first he'll go to here, which is 2871. 2871. And I'll use the same left position, 1872, because he'll just go straight up. And then I'll have him turn and go here. And whatever, I'll just have him stop here. So same top, 2052. 2052. And 2071. Great. So he'll be talking. And his text bubble thing should go to this position he's at currently when he's talking. Though I don't know if it's going to follow him. It probably won't. So hopefully he sits down quickly. Speaking of which, let's make him quicker. Wait, is it higher is slower? I think it's higher is slower. Yeah, higher is slower. So we'll make him quick. Alright, let's do Genie. And then I should be able to test this out. So she'll be kind of similar to John. I think I want her to be in front of him. So we'll just go by 100. Ba-doop. So her height is 100. Width is 100. Cool. Her starting position is 100 pixels above John, which his starting position is that. So he'll be 3203. Okay. 1872. Okay. She'll also be a 3. She'll also have 2 walking paths, which will take her the same as him, just 100 more. 1872. Your phone view crops your coordinates. Oh, you're not missing much. It's all fucking stupid numbers. But yeah, that is a problem. I really wish I could get like the full screen. It's just so small. It's like impossible to see anything. That's why you have to watch the magic on Twitch. Even though it's kind of blocked by my head too, so you wouldn't be seeing it there. Anyways. Okay, that's the first one. And then we'll keep 1872. Oh wait, no. She needs... So they're gonna walk up to the same point. She'll be a little bit above him. Oh, I should probably make him go 100 less then. So we'll actually do that, and we'll make her 2871. Yeah, that's better. Same left position. He'll be right behind her, and then they'll both walk into the right. So he goes to same top, 2871. They'll both walk into the right. 2052. Alright. We'll see. We shall see if this works. Alright. So let's get out of here. Actually, I don't think it matters. Now it does kind of matter. Shit, hold on. So let me leave the game. Yeah, too bad you can't just walk out and leave. Oh yeah, I gotta turn it back on. Where is it? Let's go back to the area. Let's turn back on, explore. I mean, that's a cut scene area. Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's start a new game. And yeah, if this is pretty close, I'm gonna end with this. But I was watching an old stream. I was kind of talking about what I was gonna do next, and it reminded me kind of the flow I want to do. Sort of hearing the tunes you should check out Saturday night at the Apollo and Southwest Statistics. Nice. I'll have to check them out. Though I'm not a massive fan of music. Unless it's my own music. These songs are great. Love this guy. Yeah, that's cool though. Are they like rock, hardcore, screamo? Alternative? See you. Alright, come on, baby. Not exactly they're the same guy, but only have a few songs. Oh. Nice. Sounds cool. I love the random talking. Okay. So this should start me in the right place. Next to everybody else. John and Jeannie should be walking up as they're talking. So this should work. If I set this up correctly. We shall see. Here we go. John is literally right behind Jeannie. And I am facing the right. Hey. I mean, like I said, it wasn't going to be perfect positioning, but it did exactly what I wanted it to do. That was good. I like it. Yeah, so now we just kind of have to... that's weird. Why did they go to the same spot? I thought I made him 100 pixels higher. Yeah, because 20... Oh, shit. I didn't change his second position, did I? Ew. I did not. That's why. He ended up literally right inside of her. They walked quick enough, though. I think that was the perfect speed to get them into the into the talking. Like, that was good. It seemed pretty interactive, right? That wasn't too bad. I think the only one that was kind of screwed up was Yona was kind of in the wall. I don't know, I guess it was a booth, but... And then, yeah, I was facing to the right. That's a little annoying. Oh, no, wrong Yona. I want to trigger it again. Now that I'm already in Thyrus. Oh, come on, stage. I want to try again. I want to try again. a cape thing. Yeah, no, I mean, those are the avatars of them, but they're not going to be dressed like that. They'll be dressed like scientists. I'm going to need to make new avatars. They're Earth avatars. Those are their like Orbem avatars when they have like fantasy garb on. Okay, so she was too far to the left, I think. Let's do that. And I think top-wise she was okay. Okay. Let's try it again. Boop. Bob boop. Pew. Skip. Pew. Pew. Alright, come on, buddy. Take me to your leader. We got this. Just wish Bylon wasn't so goddamn far. How did I get it to let me out? Wait, did I have a position set up? Starting position. Is that set up in the cutscene? I don't remember if I did that or not. Oh, was I using explore position to do that? Cutscene trigger fields? No. Oh, character position. I think this is what I was using. No, maybe not. Wait, hold on. Let me check. Because I would like it to let me out back at the door of Bylon. Or somewhere else. Let's see if... Did I set that up here? Come on, buddy. Now my local decided to be slow. You can do it. Whatever. Okay, let's try it again. Better positioning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. I could even slow them down a little bit. I just kept saying hey. Yeah, I just don't want it to send me all the way back there. What the hell? Come on, buddy. Oh no, I didn't do anything. Huh. Yeah, all I did was send back to CEO office. Wait, what? No, next area. Yeah, back to Foresight. Why is Foresight letting me out at the top there? I don't know. Yeah. I might have to do that. Yeah, it looked good. I think it's doing what I thought. I have a lot of control. I definitely think I can slow them down. I know they're being introduced, but you know, can make it a little bit more dramatic. And yeah, besides that, there's definitely some things I need to be able to control. I need to be able to control direction that I'm facing, you know. I definitely need to be able to control the direction anybody's facing, you know, when they show up on a map. I also don't have different positions for NPCs right now. Like I don't have them have left, right, up, top. So that's going to be something on its own that I'll need to do. I'll need more assets to do that too, though. So yeah. Little tweaks here and there to make it just kind of be tighter, more controlled. But yeah, I think it's a success. And I definitely, if I don't have it, I feel like I made this, but if I don't have it, I need, even though I have a next area, I need a position for where to send me after the cutscene ends. I don't know. Let me get rid of this. I don't know where that's gonna be. Nice. I mean, I can make Genie higher. Yeah. And then I also need to like have the triggering of the talking too. So like every time it goes to them, I need to switch the image to their talking sprite. As in where the character goes next in the book. No. I don't know, like I need like the actual position, because right now it's sending me back to the reception desk at the beginning of Thyrus, because it's just sending me to the starting position of Thyrus. But I need to be able to control where the cutscene ends and sends me, because what I was gonna do was send him to his office. Because there's a few things now I need to do. I need to give, now that he's met them all, and like he does this kind of like introduction at the restaurant, he's going to have them in his like friends list. So he'll be able to use their abilities. So now I need to do tutorials for each one of them. So like, I'm going to have a mission where I need to go really fast. Something's going to be timed. Like where I couldn't run all the way over here to the other side of the fucking office to click this and then run over here to click this. It'll have to be some sort of maintenance thing that, you know, whatever. So I'll call upon her. Her speed powers. She's biomechanically enhanced her own DNA with her character. Her character science. She's a DNA engineer. And then I'll need one for John for strength. He'll have to move something. I'm guessing I'll just do something like pretty normal, like just move something out of the way or you know, in order to progress the story. So we'll call upon him to do that. And then Jeannie is impervious. Her skin's impervious to like heat, cold, bullets. Like she has like material augmentation. She's a chemist, so she'll have to be able to go into something that only she can go in. Maybe there's a fire in here and she has to go run in and grab something. I don't know. I'll have to come up with those little tutorial based things where you know what they're used for. I'd be like, oh, maybe I should ask, you know, John, he's really strong. When I'm like, I'll have missions here and only they can do it. And I think the missions on the left, I'll give them a little icon for each one. So like if the mission's something only John can do, it'll be a little John icon or a little Yona icon, that kind of thing. That way you know, oh, I need to use them in order to complete this. And then after you go through all their little tutorials, his final thing is going to be a little programming mini game where he's going to solder some things onto a computer chip on his desk, which is just gonna be me drag and dropping pieces on and like making sure they're in the right spot. And then I am gonna do a little bit of programming, something stupid like a little legend of binary code, and you have to like fill in the blanks or something that you don't have to be a programmer to know, but it'll look cool. And then once you do that, he'll be able to transport. So this will be unlocked, this transporting ability, because that's what you need to get to Orbem. And then that'll be the tutorial after he does that. We'll do a dramatic scene where he, whatever pushes them to Orbem, no spoilers. And yeah, they'll go there all together. And then we'll start the real game. And that's when things get interesting. That's when we have to come up with a whole bunch of other mechanics and mini game puzzle style. Probably utilize a lot of the drag and drop stuff. Probably utilize, the first thing when they go to Orbem, they're gonna have to rescue the girls, and you're gonna meet some other characters. We got Coriander and Siona, these two. You're gonna meet them in Orbem. Yeah, the foundation's coming along. God, it feels like nothing's done though. Holy shit. I've been working on this for so long. It's just like, it's so, it's still so basic to me, even though there's all these little functionalities. But like the actual gameplay is still like super lacking. And I think the mini games and puzzles and stuff like that will definitely give it more of a game. And then the combat thing, like I have to do combat, which I'm gonna save the combat until you get to Orbem. Maybe I'll do a little bit right before they go to Orbem, like right before they transport, because that's kind of what sends them there. They get in a fight with the CEO. So I'll probably need to do a short tutorial on weapon mechanics, because right now he has his fist, so he can like punch things, but I need to let him collect his first weapon, which is going to be his katana, because he likes sword fighting. That's his thing. He's like a Japanese sword fighting enthusiast, and he'll grab the katana from his house or something like that, and we'll have to do a little like fight scene that sends him to Orbem. And that'll be kind of like the mechanics of mini bosses or whatever that I'll have to build out. I already have my 2 enemies that like shoot and run into you, so I have some stuff ready for Orbem once I get there. But yeah, just rubber ducking right now. Sorry. Okay, well, hey, that's a wrap. Game Doodle, always a pleasure, man. Yeah, let me know when you get your stuff tomorrow. And I will be on tomorrow. We'll continue our journey. Probably tighten up the Bylon meetup a little bit. It pretty much has what I need, at least right now. Like the idea is there of the automated cutscene. So I'll probably just maybe add a couple things to allow you to align people and then send you where you need to go. And then we'll start on the individual friends stuff. Yeah, you think it's coming along quite well. The past month's been moving. Cutscenes, text, talking sounds. Yeah. And you are a part of this Game Doodle. The game is better because you exist, so be proud. Alright. Thanks everybody who's jumped on and watched the stream off and on. Thank you, everybody who is watching this in the future. I know some of you do. It's weird. You're not weird, but I don't know that you would want to watch this. Still don't get it, but appreciate all your eyes. Like and subscribe everything. Follow me on Twitch if you haven't, and I'll catch you in the next one. Good night.